So kind of excited. Going to get my first official project car. So just driving across town to go get that. We'll see shortly what we're gonna be getting. Not that it's that big of a mystery or that exciting, but for me it is. Don't really know what to say other than that I'm kind of giddy that I have something to tinker with, and will be coming as a feature in future videos. So. Part of my decision on this car was made looking at a couple factors. One, do I buy something that's just cheap and get me started? Or two, do I buy something that's interesting and might get me views based on the type of vehicle that it is? Like most people, I chose cheap. Getting the car for a great deal. I actually like the vehicle that we're getting today. I have a personal affinity towards it and its brand. I believe it'll be fun to work on. It's got a lot of little things that it definitely needs. Some TLC on the outside, which is really going to be my main focus, particularly for the beginning of it. Just honing in some of my basic skills to do paint correction, body work, potentially mechanical. So as you'll see shortly, this needs all that. You're like, wow, Scottsdale isn't what it used to be. It's back there. We got it. So suddenly has turned very real, and I feel very committed suddenly to doing things. So, as I like to say often, here we go. altogether, we have a fair amount of work to do on that car. How deep we go into it, only time will tell. At this point, I mainly want to work on the cosmetics of it, just practice cleaning it up and making it look prettier for future projects. I have to use this as a starting point, and then we'll work from here. The goal is to use this car as a stepping stone to move into something else, which will get us into something else, and every project becoming more and more intricate, and finding new skills to learn along the way. I appreciate you spending time with me, and I hope you're enjoying the content I'm bringing, and there's definitely more to come. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time on No Gears, No Glory.